Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show how to install Vue DevTools in a way that it supports multiple Vuex stores. This is something that is not supported out of the box with Vue DevTools, but someone has created a fork where they've added this feature. For now, this is kind of a workaround. Hopefully the support is coming in the official Vue DevTools soon, but for now, this is a trade-off if you want to have multiple stores, but bear in mind that this fork is still on the previous version of Vue DevTools. So let me just share the screen so that you can see what I'm doing. And this is the fork that I'm talking about. I'll have the link in the description of the video. So first thing you want to have to do, clone the repository, and then we're going to be following the manual installation steps. So first, we're going to have to do the npm install, which just like any cooking shell I've already done. Just for the sake of time, this will do a bunch of this, a lot of old packages in there, but bear with me. And then we're going to run the script build. So what this is doing is just compiling the everything we need. Right, cool. And now we're going to go into our browser. I'm going to use Brave because that's the one that I haven't set up yet. Extensions. Right, here we go. We enable developer mode, and then we load unpacked extensions. We load unpacked extensions, and now we're going to be doing this, right? I do believe this is all. Select, boom, Vue DevTools, right? So now I'm going to go into our, let's see, a merge request. This will do. Okay, had to load another page, but here we are. Once you load the page, it has multiple stores in this page for multiple Vue apps, right? When you get to the Vuex separator, here's the component tree, all the multiple Vue apps in there. And then you have the Vuex tab, but instead of only showing one store, you'd be able to select multiple stores. Now, we don't name our stores, so it doesn't really know the name. It just shows the numbers. So you're going to have to flip through these to see which one is the one you're looking for. But at least you'll be able to go in there and actually see the state for the store that you're looking for. And that's basically it. You're set. Thank you everyone for watching.